Hi guys, welcome to Fun Time. Today we're gonna have fun with a pizza toy. Let me just grab it. It has 22 parts and it's for someone that's bigger than 3. You should always take grown-ups' help for scissors. Here, cut the tape. So the tape is now all gone. Now we can remove it. Oh. Let's take this aside. And now we're gonna get these open. This. Oh. It's even cooler than I imagined. Okay, and this package of food. Oh, some cartons, knives, and this piece. So, let's see what all we have got in the assembling parts. We have this. Oh, this is like a microwave and thing. Okay, well, I don't know what this is. Oh, and these are some shelves. And these are some parts that go on the front. And this one too. Actually, I don't know where this goes. But I'll figure out with the instructions. And now we're going to the other stuff. It has a big knife. Dun, dun, dun. And this one. It's very funny. And some cartons. This one stands for cookie and this one stands for orange juice. Okay. Now let's see what's in the bag. I'll just get these aside and then let's look. Okay, so how do I open it? Let me see. I guess I just tear it. I don't know, maybe there is here, over here. I can open this. I'm just gonna dump them out. And these pieces join together. Look at that. Oh, stick it. Okay. Oh wow, it's so good. And this is the empty base. Okay, now let's see what else we have. We have some ice creams. Oh, where's the other ice cream? We have some ice cream. We have a cup ice cream. And we have this ice cream. And I don't know what it is, but it has tape. But I know it's something for the kitchen. Okay, now we're not doing anything. Oh, there's one. And now let's go through with the tape. I'm gonna try again. I guess I need some scissors again. Okay, here, cut the tape. Okay, now we just wait for some minutes. It'll be there super soon. Let's check the French fries. Oh, it has a sticker. We better remove the sticker because it wasn't good if we remove. Oh, wait. Maybe I can just put it like that. Oh, the tape is removed. The tape is removed. Oh, here's the tape. No, get off. Get off, you. Get off. Okay, so now we have figured everything out, baby. And the French fries, the Coke. So delicious. Biscuits. And what are these tools? I don't know. Well, let's get on to the connecting. And let's take the instructions. Let's take this piece. Let me see. Oh, this one goes right here. Let me just assemble it first. What does this piece actually do? I'm just gonna assemble. Oh, it's not falling over. Now it's perfect for the kitchen. First, we'll assemble the pot. Oh, this one goes over here. Okay, let's put it. Oh, this one. Where did it go? Oh, over here. This one over here. Here. Maybe I won't be able to do it. Stuck. There you go. It's done. Alright, is it all assembled? Yeah, it's all assembled. Oh. Okay, there's it. And now let's assemble the other part. Assemble this one first. Let's see in the picture. Oh, I got it. This one goes over here. It needs a sticker. There's not a sticker pad in here. Whatever. Yeah, there. Oh, come on. Let's see. Oh, this one goes over here. And now this one. Oh, I'll connect. This one. Oh, this way. Okay. Oh, opposite way. Okay, like that. What to do? It's getting. Go on. Okay. Okay, guys. As you can see, I set it all up. Now it's time to decorate. But first, let's just make the cartridge. Oh, let's just close up the cartridge. Like that. Hey, go on. Oh, there you go. The down one is done. The top one. There we go. All done. There. A juice box. It's pretty small, but that should do it. Okay. So first, let's just close the down one. Cookies. And now we're gonna put these cookies in. Let's put them in because we don't want you to see an empty box. Well, this one's pretty all empty, but that's okay. It's just a game. Oh, I want to see the instructions to see. Oh, I'm just so thirsty. I'm gonna drink. Okay, that should do. Put it right here. Don't fall. This one here. Don't fall, okay? Wait, now it's. Oops. Okay, this ice cream go on this shelf. And this ice cream goes over here. That will actually pretty can melt. Oh no, the cookies don't belong in here. Oh, I have to sit. Okay, let's see. I can put it in the sink. Oops, the ice cream fall down and melt. And no, it didn't. Okay, this goes right here. It's hard to attach. I have to do it. I'm backwards. Oh. Okay, there we go. Oh, there. Done. And now where does these go? Let me check. Okay, on the next shelf. But it's on red shelves. Well, whatever. Let's put it there. And now where does this cookie box? Cookie box. I guess I'm just going to put it on here. I'm just gonna put it in the sink. Wow! And now, let's put the pizza here. Now we're ready for our soup. I'm sorry guys, this is not the part of the toy, but I had them in my other toys, so I just used it to play. So I'm just gonna put it right here.
Is the pizza kitchen open?
Yeah, it just started right now.
Can you give me a slice of pizza?
Okay, I'm gonna get one. Just sit down.
Slice of pizza, some fries and Coke.
Wait, what again?
A slice of pizza,
Oops. Okay, a slice of pizza. A slice of pizza.
some fries
Some fries.
and a Coke.
A Coke. You want cookies?
Do you have an ice cream?
Yeah, I have two. Do you want a stick one or a cup?
I can have a cup.
Okay, here you go. It's in the order now. You're crazy. You don't know manners. And you're crazy.
This is very tasty.
Okay, but
I will recommend your pizza corner to my friends.
Okay guys, this was it. We had so much fun with this toy. We'll come again another day with another cool toy. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you next time. Bye.